In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new primary account on Booking.com Extranet. This process can mean two slightly different things, so I'll walk you through both. First, creating a completely new primary partner account with its own login and business identity. Second, adding a new primary or admin user under an existing partner account so multiple people can manage the same portfolio. If you need a brand new primary partner account, start by heading to partner.booking.com. This is where you begin a fresh partner application to list a property. You'll be guided to enter your business details, including your legal or company information, address, and representative, as well as a contact email. That email becomes the login for this new account, so choose one that's dedicated to your business and that you can access easily. You'll also provide the property address and country so Booking.com can set up your account in the correct market. After submitting, Booking.com will send a contract or agreement link by email. Open that message and sign the contract electronically to move your application forward. From there, you'll need to wait for approval. Booking.com may ask for supporting documents to verify your business. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder so you don't miss any requests. Once approved, you'll have a standalone Extranet account with its own credentials. Important note: this new account is not created from inside your existing Extranet. It's a separate partner application, designed for a separate business identity or login, and it will not automatically inherit users or properties from your old account. If instead you want to add another primary or admin user under your existing partner account, log in to admin.booking.com with your current credentials. In the top right, click the profile or user icon. From there, go to Primary Accounts or Create and Manage Users, depending on what your interface shows. Select Add Primary Account or Add New User, enter the person's name and email, and send the invite. The recipient must accept the email invitation to activate their login. Once they accept, they'll have primary-level access to manage the same account or portfolio using their own email and password. If you don't see the option to add users, you may need admin permissions on your current login, or you may need to contact support to enable user management for your profile. Choose the path that fits your situation: a separate business identity via a new partner application, or additional primary users within your existing setup. Take your time, verify emails, and you'll be up and running smoothly.